Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create more color schemes for your Shopify site. Whether you're looking to freshen up the appearance of your online store or want to keep your site visually engaging, adding new color schemes can make a substantial difference. Color schemes play a huge role in how customers perceive your brand. The right colors can build trust, guide attention to important areas like call to action buttons, and even influence buying decisions. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily manage your themes and add new color schemes to your Shopify site. To get started, open the site editor on your Shopify dashboard. You'll notice a variety of options on the left panel, designed to help you navigate and customize your store's design inside Shopify. This editor is where most of your visual branding decisions come together. You'll want to look for the gear icon, which is the key to opening up your theme settings. Simply click on this icon, and voila! You're now ready to explore the theme settings further. Once you're inside the theme settings, the next thing you'll do is click on Colors. In this section, you'll immediately notice a display of the color schemes currently being used on your site. Take a moment to review them if you'd like, especially to see which ones are assigned to headers, backgrounds, buttons, and text. These schemes are vital, as they dictate the mood and aesthetic vibe of your site, thus playing an integral role in the overall user experience. Consistent color usage helps your store feel polished and professional, while poorly matched colors can feel distracting or confusing. To infuse your site with a brand new look, click on Add Scheme. This is the exciting part where you can begin experimenting with different color palettes. Maybe you want something bold and bright to catch the shopper's eye, or perhaps a soft and calming palette to encourage a leisurely browsing experience. The choice is yours. As you experiment, try to keep accessibility in mind by ensuring there's enough contrast between text and backgrounds. This not only improves readability, but also creates a better experience for all users. Go ahead, play with colors, and create a scheme that aligns perfectly with your brand's identity. After you've created a scheme you're satisfied with, you can seamlessly integrate it into your site. This new color scheme can be applied to various elements and sections, transforming your site's appearance and enhancing its attractiveness. You might choose to apply different schemes to promotions, featured sections, or seasonal banners to make them stand out. Whether you're launching a promotion, celebrating a season, or simply want a fresh look, your new color scheme can help achieve these goals effectively without changing your products or layout. And that's really all there is to it. As you can see, adding new color schemes to your Shopify site is straightforward and can make a significant impact. Don't hesitate to revisit this process whenever you feel like your site could use a visual update, or when you've discovered that perfect new set of colors you just can't wait to try out. With these simple steps, you now have the power to tailor your site's appearance with as much creativity and flair as you desire. So go on, explore your options, and keep innovating the way your Shopify site looks. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Shopify design tips, tutorials, and strategies to help your store stand out.